In this video, you're going to learn how to remove a bank account or a card from your Cash App account. First things first, just open up the Cash App. Make sure you are logged in. And once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen here with the interface. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your profile image. It may have some notifications on it. Just go ahead and click on the profile image there in the upper right-hand corner. And then once you're here, you can scroll down to where you see an option under Account and Settings that says Linked Banks. Go ahead and tap into Linked Banks, and any card or bank account that you have connected to your Cash App account will be listed here. If you want to remove one of those, you just tap into that, and you'll have an option to either replace or remove the card or bank account. Go ahead and tap the red text that says Remove Card. It'll go ahead and give you some confirmations, and then boom, it's removed. You just tap into it there. It gives you the option to remove or replace. Tap Remove. A couple of seconds later, that account or card has been removed. There'll be some FAQs in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.